prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers, Chennai Tamilnadu. We are a group of highly skilled professionals with years of experience in the moving and packing industry. While moving your belongings, all team members have been trained to maintain the highest level of safety and professionalism. Best professional packers and movers, Chennai Tamilnadu. It is critical to pack everything properly in specific materials and transport things in particular orientations to protect these. All of our employees have been trained to deal with such situations and uphold the highest safety standards. Relocation services, Chennai Tamilnadu. We have the knowledge and skills to provide successful company relocation solutions and relocate your workplace with little interruption. We ensure that disruption is kept to a minimum and that your business is not disrupted. Car transport services by car carrier, Chennai Tamilnadu. A vehicle to which you have many special memories and a vehicle that has always come to your rescue whenever you need to go to other locations. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter, Chennai Tamilnadu. The services of bike packers and movers does rehousing as given on our packers and movers portal. If you're looking for transportation services, you've come to the right spot. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services, Chennai Tamilnadu. Household goods luggage transfer services in India are recommended. Several luggage transporters provide luggage delivery and moving services in almost all Indian metro regions. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution, Chennai Tamilnadu. All of our employees have been trained to deal with such situations and uphold the highest safety standards. We do provide packers and mover to all India. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation, Chennai Tamilnadu. This business actively encourages persons with limitations to apply for the position since they provide transportation for them. So, if you live in Chennai, you don't have to worry about transportation. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle, Chennai Tamilnadu. Pet relocation companies boast the ability to serve the entire world. The practice itself is fairly straightforward. A relocation agency typically picks up your pet at your home. Goods storage, warehousing and co-working spaces available, Chennai Tamilnadu. Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouses are used by all different types of businesses which need to temporarily store products. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance, Chennai Tamilnadu. Transportation insurance is a broad category of protection designed for companies that own and operate trucks, buses, van lines, and other specialty vehicles. If your primary focus is the transportation of people, consumer goods, equipment, or waste, then you're in the right place. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.